Okay, ladies and gents, so if you're the disc jockey, you're the DJ. So you're going to be creating a Spotify playlist for the section that you've read for this station or for this lit circle rotation. So you want to figure out, and I'm going to maybe move this out of the way so I can show you here. You're going to want to figure out a list of 4 songs. If you want more than that, you can always right click and duplicate the slide, and then you can have a new slide there. So if you want to do more than 4 songs, you can, but 4 songs is a requirement. And you're going to figure out a song name and artist for each of for what has happened in your chapter. So for instance, with Uprising, which was the story that we've just finished, that was an excerpt on Uprising. I might decide to name my playlist, like you could be creative and make a, title that ties into the chapter, or you could just maybe name it this section. So I'm going to call this Uprising because that was the name of the story. And an example of a song I might pick based on what we read in the excerpt. And again, notice how you just click and then you can highlight and then change it. I'm going to say Ring of Fire. And that's Johnny Cash. And since I might have I might have to change the size there, which you can do if you want to make it all on one line. So I got Ring of Fire, Johnny Cash, and then I have listed 1 song from my playlist. Down here in the notes section, you notice it says in this notes section, please give an explanation for each song choice. So I would call that song 1. And I would say Ring of Fire, because Yetta is trapped on the 8th floor and watches someone catch fire. And I would just keep going with my song choices. The point of doing that is because at the end of the week, you're going to be the DJ, you're the disc jockey. So you're going to open this up to the view like that, and you're going to show your classmates your playlist, and you're going to tell them, okay, so I first picked Ring of Fire by Johnny Cash and the reason behind why. So that note section is for me to be able to look at that slide later, but it's also so it gives you an idea ahead of time of what you're going to say. You noticed that happened in that section of the story for why you decided on that song choice for it particularly. And that is what you do as the disc jockey, the DJ.